I guess I'll have a hard time losing this one. So, obviously, I got a new Apple product again, and thank goodness this one was actually fairly cheap. It's $30 compared to my last $200 purchase, aka my AirPods. So from the looks of it, there's just this little sticker right here that you peel off like this. Then I assume the bottom opens up like that. AirTag with Apple documentation, and there's the physical AirTag itself. And yeah, just miniature instructions and all that. Okay, toss that junk aside. Let's get to the actual real deal. Oh wow. Okay, so the second I pull this out, it's going to turn the battery on. Oh, wow, that's cool. So my first impressions of it are, wow, it's got the white part actually feels like my AirPods Pro. It's got the same glossy plastic like my AirPods Pro have. Though the back, it looks like it has that Apple iPod Classic chrome back on it. And I hear that this may look like it's in perfect condition now, but this is the only time I'll get to see it like this in perfect condition. So, okay. And before I actually set it up, let's actually take a look inside, because supposedly the battery is removable. So twist that, and there is the battery. So that's the battery. I don't remember what it is. I think it's a CR32 or something. And now let's actually do the pairing process. So right here I got my iPhone XS Max. Now I won't be able to demonstrate the... Oh, never mind. Okay, so right here the AirTag just pops up. Let's connect. I gotta figure out what I should set this as. What are the options? We got backpack, bike, camera, handbag, headphones, jacket, keys, luggage, umbrella, wallet. Can this fit in a wallet? Yeah, I wonder, can this actually fit in a wallet? Let me pull my wallet out. Yeah, I suppose it can. I guess I don't have to worry about losing my wallet anymore. Though I'm actually going to give this a custom name. Continue. What should I name this? We'll call this... Continue. Choose an emoji. I have to pick an emoji. I'll use that as my emoji. Continue. Register AirTag to my Apple ID. Yes. Continue. Setting up. There we go. I now have my AirTag, so I gotta figure out where to put this actually. Alright, so let's view it in the Find My app. Yep, so it's with me. So unfortunately, I won't be able to demonstrate precision finding on this because, well, that requires the U1 chip in the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and 12 and 12 Pro. But, well, I got a slight problem with that. I got a XS Max, so I don't got the U1 chip, so I can't demonstrate precision finding. I can try to do a lost mode thing, so actually... I'll be right back. I'm going to go find Dink and have her hide this on me, and then I'm going to try to find it. So, Dink's holding my camera now.
Hello.
I'm not going to find it just yet, but she's going to go find a hiding spot for the AirTag.
Okay, now I shall hide this thingy. Okay, where's a good place to hide this? Hiding places. Let's hide it in here. Hopefully no one touches it besides Alpha, and that's it.
You ready?
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna turn my screen recording on so I can also show everyone how to do this. Okay, so now that my screen recording's on, we're going to go to the Find My app. So it says it's nearby, I think. It's really hard to demonstrate this because, first of all, I don't have precision finding since this is an iPhone XS Max. But we're gonna try this. Okay, so it's clearly somewhere else. Okay, considering I can't hear it, it's not in this room. So you didn't even hide it on this floor.
Nope. even.
I hear it. It's down here.
I feel like I absolutely hit it in the worst spot in all of history.
It's in this general area.
Oh no! No!
Found it!
You want to do another round?
You want to try it this time?
Sure. I don't know.
Oh yay, this was my old room, and, well, it no longer is my room. And that's Apple's AirTag. Wow, this thing is pretty cool to be honest. Since I don't actually have a keychain for this, because for some reason Apple decides to sell the keychain to this separately for almost the same price to be honest, I figured I'd make my own little attempt. Since I work part-time in a machine shop that machines metal, I think maybe, just maybe, I might be able to design a keychain for this by myself. I have no idea if I'll be able to film it or not because there's not much I'm allowed to say about my job other than pretty much what I work as. But I might be able to show you the process of designing a custom keychain for this, depending on if I'm not infringing anything else. So that'll be quite an adventure. So far, since I can't really put this hanging on anything, I'll have to find something with the pouch in that case. Since I am very bad at remembering where my wallet is and constantly losing it, the AirTag is currently going to live in my wallet. Quick other things that I have to mention about the AirTag is they have extra features that don't allow you to track other people. As in, well, if they have an iPhone and they find an AirTag that's not registered to them, it'll give you an alert on the iPhone, and after 3 days of it being missing, actually, what will happen is it'll just set an alarm off. As long as you keep it near you for within 3 days, the alarm on it won't go off. Since I usually need my wallet on me every day, but I can never find it, I should be able to find it now since that ping feature really helps. It would be more awesome if I could demonstrate the precision finding feature. Unfortunately, I don't have an iPhone that'll allow me to do that since I use the XS Max. Then again, I can't complain because I love that phone so much. And then one last question, is this AirTag worth it? Should you get this compared to any other tracker on the market? Considering its privacy features that it has. With Tile, you got a problem. You need to have the Tile app downloaded on your phone in order to help find your tile tracker. Well, with this thing, all you need is just someone with an iPhone, and here in the United States, there has to be millions of iPhone users. iPhones sell through the roof. They're the most popular smartphones on the planet. So because of that network, and this thing actually looks for iPhones, and it doesn't need the U1 chip in order to ping an iPhone. All it needs is Bluetooth low energy, and that's how you get it. Considering that the battery life on this lasts a year and it's easily changeable, plus the iPhone network that just being monstrous, I'll be honest, you're gonna have a very hard time losing your stuff. You just are. Despite that, yeah, it doesn't come with a keychain or a way to hook one of those rings around it. I still think it's worth purchasing this over any other smart tracker because the iPhone network is huge. And the only reason why you shouldn't get this is if you don't have an iPhone. At that point, I could recommend Samsung's Galaxy Smart Tag or whatever they call it. But here's the problem. Believe it or not, you might think I'm crazy when I'm about to say this. With the feature set that this offers, this is actually cheaper than a Samsung Smart Tag. Now, Samsung does offer a Smart Tag either $25 or $30, I don't remember, but there's a catch to that. It doesn't have any ultra-wideband technology, which means you're going off of Bluetooth, and the same problem I have to deal with because I'm using an iPhone XS Max, which doesn't have the U1 chip. If you want a Smart Tag with the ultra-wideband technology, yes, Samsung does have one with ultra-wideband, that costs $50. So ultra-wideband on this for $30 compared to Samsung's $50 ultra-wideband tag? Is it me? Or is Apple really the better value? That's just weird. If you have an iPhone and you're looking for a tag so you don't lose anything, to be honest, AirTag is really the best deal you can get. Alright, thank you for watching. Do me a favor and interact with the stuff below. My name is Alpha DeWolf, Random Alpha, signing out.